Next week, Samsung will introduce the Galaxy Watch 6 series. The Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy Watch 6 Classics designs were made public before its formal debut through 3D CAD renders and even actual product photos. The sizes and variations of the future smartwatches have now been revealed in further detail. The sizes and connection options for the Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic are revealed in a new poster that was leaked by Samsung's official partner. While the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic will be sold in sizes 43mm and 47mm, the Galaxy Watch 6 will only be offered in sizes 40mm and 44mm. There will be Wi-Fi only and Wi-Fi plus cellular versions of both smartwatches. The Galaxy Watch 6 is anticipated to look identical to the Galaxy Watch 4 series in terms of design, while the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic will have a physical rotating bezel. Both models are expected to have circular OLED panels that are 20% bigger than those on the Galaxy Watch 5 and be powered by the slightly improved Exynos W930 chipset, according to sources. Additionally, these smartwatches will have 16GB of internal storage and 2GB of RAM. The 40mm and 43mm Galaxy Watch 6 Classic will have a 300 mAh battery, while the 44mm and 47mm Galaxy Watch 6 Classic will have a 425 mAh battery. These differences in battery size are due to differences in size between the different Galaxy Watch models. In an unexpected turn of events, South Korean airport Incheon International witnessed English Premier League soccer player Son Heung-min wearing the upcoming Galaxy Watch 6. The watch on Son's wrist closely resembles the renderings of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic that have surfaced online. Son will represent the Samsung Galaxy brand and participate in a variety of events, according to a later confirmation from Samsung. Along with Samsung's new folding smartphones, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5, the Galaxy Watch 6 series will debut. Pricing is anticipated to be comparable to that of earlier versions. While there are some intriguing facts in the leaks, the formal launch day will be the only time the details are confirmed. So, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and any question leave it in the comments below. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.